Okay, we're talking with Stacie Satery, and she is offering two botany classes, herbal classes. Um, Tell us a little bit about yourself, Stacie, and about your class, Botany, Discovering the Wonder of Backyard Plants for kids. So exciting, so cute.
Yes. Oh, I'm really excited to offer this class. So with my kids, we started studying herbs together as a family years and years ago. And I noticed that they just got really excited about learning the plant, drawing the plant, and then making something with the plant. It gets real when you actually get to use that plant
Yeah.
and see its practical uses. And you're not just drawing and learning about it and reading about it, but when you're actually using it, it makes a huge difference. So that's what we're going to do in this class. We are going to learn 6 of the most common backyard weeds that everyone can find in their own backyard space. And we are going to learn everything there is to know about them, any kind of folklore and history that goes along with it, along with practical uses, how to use it for your everyday health and in your diet and things like that. It's going to be a lot of fun.
All right, so what are the kids going to be doing in your class? So they'll be doing some nature sketching and like what else?
Yep. So definitely some nature sketching. So we'll be
Yeah.
studying each plant because I want kids to understand how to properly identify that plant so that when they are in the wild, there is no mistaking that plant for something else. So we're going to learn that plant. We're going to have a very intimate relationship with it. We will sketch it. We will write about it. We'll be doing narrations. We will be saving time at the end of every class to actually make something. So kids are going to learn about infusions and decoctions, salves and oils, tinctures, and even poultices, which are super easy to use with kids. So
Oh, I love it.
lots of plans for them, lots of fun. So they're going to need their nature notebook, and then they're going to need some supplies, which you'll have posted in the class listing to make the remedies that we're going to make together in everyone's kitchens.
Now, I know you're a trained herbalist, so tell us a little bit about your background and your training and how that translated to doing herbs with your kids.
So I was an elementary school teacher before I had kids. And then we started homeschooling. And I, of course, fell in love with schooling my own children the Charlotte Mason way.
Yeah.
And eventually I got very interested in herbs. And so I studied under Rosemary Gladstar at Sage Mountain for 3 years.
So
And
cool.
that was all from a Western point of view. And eventually I wanted to expand that to understand some other world systems of healing. And so I started studying Chinese and Ayurvedic healing systems, which is how I ended up at East West School of Planetary Herbology, where I'm an advanced student right now. And somewhere in the middle of all that, I started my own business called Intentional Health, and I provide one-on-one consultations and I help people in the community with health issues.
Yes, from an herbal perspective.
From an herbal point of view. That's right.
Yeah, yeah, and a holistic intentional health. Yes, love
head to
it.
toe. Yes.
And kids can obviously participate in learning about herbs, and that's what your class is all about.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
We're giving kids the tools to take charge of their own health and to understand the world around them right at their own feet.
Yeah, and I love it because it's true, like living science, you know, from a Charlotte Mason perspective. You've got nature study, you've got true science, you've got health, you've got all this wrapped up in your course, and it's going to be so much fun.
Yeah. And, you know, she was big on object lessons, and that's exactly what we're going to do is we're going to study a plant. We're going to get very intimate with it, and we're going to observe everything we can about it, even how it interacts with our own well-being.
Yeah, love it. Okay, discovering the wonder of backyard plants. All right, go sign up for Stacie's class. Thank you so much, Stacie.
Thank you.